Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Telegram tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can lock your Telegram app. So when you lock your Telegram app, people would need to enter your passcode before they can open your Telegram. And also when you get a message, a notification, they can't view it unless you enter your passcode before. It's very much simple and easy. It makes your Telegram secure from other users. So to do this, just hop on your Telegram like this, and now let's move to our settings here. You just need to turn something on and then we are good to go. So we move to settings here. Let's scroll down here. Let's scroll up rather, and then let's tap on the privacy and settings here. Good. And you can see passcode lock here. So you can see currently it's off. Now let's tap on that. We would have to enable the passcode. So when I enable it, my screen is going to go blank. It's going to go blank because you can't do a screen recording when you have the passcode on. It's like a protection something. So the screen is going to be black. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. I'm not going to turn it on, else the video will be of no use. So now let me tap on the enable. So let me do this 11, get it, and then you re-enter your code again. So I did it 000. So now you just enter your 000 here and you're good to go. So you lock it. So that's it on how you can lock a Telegram app. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. That's it for the video. Peace.